welcome to Monaco. Officially, welcome to Monaco, guys. So, nandito tayo sa labas ng church with my friend. Hello. Hey, hey, hey. So, ito na nga, guys. Naghihintay kami. And as we anticipated, talagang malamig din dito. So, dito, guys, sa Monaco, sa pinakataas niya is part ng front. You could see, kunti lang yung mga tao dito. Hindi masyado populated. The population here is mga nasa 38,000, something like that. And do you know, guys, that Monaco is the second smallest country in the world after Vatican City? So, nag-ikot-ikot pa rin tayo. Dito lang tayo sa taas, bawal sa baba. Wow! This is it! This is the 360 of Monaco, guys. Ayan na, oh. Ayan. May puro casino sa baba, oh. So we are going down to Monaco. Bumababa na tayo, guys. Parang Great Wall of China lang siya. Ayan na. Yan yung pinaka-capital nila or pinaka-municipality, which is the Monte Carlo. Ayan. Nakasikat din dito, guys, sa Monaco is yung gelato nila, which is nakadalawang beses na ako. So kung mapapansin nyo, guys, yung building nila, yung mga structure ng building nila, parang influence pa rin ng Spain at saka ng France, which is may pagka-brutalist na baroque at saka ayan na, may pagka-classic. So guys, nandito pa rin tayo sa Princess Palace of Monaco. This is the Palace of Prince ng Monaco. Hello everybody, how's everybody doing? This is Heman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Kararating lang natin, it's November 11, 2024. Time check, it's 8:49 in the evening here in Genova, Italy. Alam naman natin na pinakasikat ang lugar na to kasi dito pinanganak si Christopher Columbus, and in this place, it was also originated the Peno sauce. Alam mo yung penne pesto na sauce? I'll be giving you a quick tour in my room. Parating lang natin. Nandito tayo sa Mercure Hotel. So, as you go enter, guys, this is the door going to my room. So, upon enter, guys, upon entering, this is my, this is the, mirror, a whole mirror. So, sa left naman, ito yung ating toilet and bath. We have the water closet or, the bathtub, the toilet, and yung mga towels natin. They have toilets here, which is one for your, for your daily use. The other one naman is for foot wash. This is my vanity mirror. Then you have your sink. Pwede may check yung OOTD mo dito. Ayan. They have complete sets of, they have blower here. Tuwan. May mga complementary naman silang binigay na shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Ito po yung ating bed, which is a king size bed, good for 2 persons. That's the console table. They have television there, cabinet. Then, yun lang. As simple as that, guys.
The next day.
So, this morning. Time check, it's 8:42 in the morning here in Italy. So I'll be giving you a peek view of Italy. So this time guys, our tour guide is planning to visit the Genoa. We also have Milan and Lugano. So we have 3 cities for today. This is it. The round square. So we're gonna go down, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's make it fast. Let's go. Oh my God, ang lamig pala. Guys, ang lamig. Sobrang lamig. So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Genoa, which is the famous birthplace ni Christopher Columbus, which is alam natin na siya yung explorer ng famous explorer in the world na na-discover niya ang United States, ang Pilipinas, karamihan sa mga bansa sa Asia. Tapos mapapansin natin guys, yung mga structure designs ng mga buildings nila, it's more on Baroque style, may pagka-Renaissance. Ayan o. So, ito yung Times Square nila. Times Square. Ito yung center square nila here in Genoa, Italy, which is, guys, sobrang lamig. So, maglalakad tayo. Saan na sila?
Lamig.
Buti naka-feather ako. Feather? Feather ba? Pa, hindi masyadong tagos.
Mamaya pang itong feather.
So guys, ito yung gate ng Genoa. Behind me is the gate of Genoa. So hanapin natin yung bahay ni Colombo. Hey guys, this is the famous house of Christopher Colombo. Yes, the famous explorer in the world.
Ay, ganun ba?
Hindi natin makuha yung perfect view.
Aura.
Ayan. Rampa naman. Ay, yan. So everybody's enjoying their moment.
Ay, May? Ay, diyan ka na?
Yeah, why? My friend. Hey, ma'am. So guys, ito yung cathedral nila here in Genova. Sobrang lamig yan, nakaganito tayo. Medyo hindi kita yung leeg natin. Ayan. So yung design guys, as you observe, talaga may pagka Baroque style. May pagka Renaissance and Baroque style. Kayo ma'am, di kayo pumasok? So guys, try natin yung mga pastry dito sa Genova, which is ito yung mga pinakasikat nila. Try natin yung pistachio. Ayun. One order please, this one. Yeah, pistachio. Thank you so much. So yun na nga. Nahihirapan tayong kumain. Masarap sa kape. Tapos yung lasa, talagang humahagod sa lalamunan. Tapos, parang alam mo yun, yung gatas. Feel mo talaga na pure siya. Pag sinabing malamig talaga siya, guys. Ayan na, ang ganda ng views natin. So ito yung square nila. Ganda, guys. Welcome to Genova. Alam nyo ba, guys, isa sa pinakasikat dito is yung pesto nila, which is yung pesto sauce dito nang simula sa Genova.
Okay, because the bus also it will be very limited now. Milano, drop us, pick us. The bus cannot wait because he have right in some place 3 minutes, in some place maximum 10 minutes to wait, and that's it. Otherwise, he will be parked outside of the city. You need to pay taxi to come, to exit of the city.
Guys, welcome to Milan.
Welcome to Milano.
Yeah, Milano, also known as Milano in Italy.
Yes.
Yes.
Our
This is
good
the capital city of Italy and also known as the fashion capital of the world.
Or
Yeah.
fashionista.
You see that? That's the definition of fashion in a different way. You know? Oh my God! Ayun na, excited na ako makita yung mga ibon sa sa Domo. Yeah.
Favorite
So, you know, we're still walking and it's gonna be a trip to heaven. Oh my God! The weather here in Italy, guys, is unpredictable, you know. Sometimes it's cold, sometimes warm, hot.
Lalo na simba sa cathedral.
Yeah. Okay, so we are with the tour guide. So we will do 5 minutes here just to explore the city. We have to be mindful for everybody is, you know, surviving. Like they want to. Oh, where are we going now?
Nangawit ka na.
Nang- Hindi kaya yan. Guys, ang lalaki ng mga buildings nila dito. You see that? It's a product of Baroque and Mediterranean design. You see? Guys, ang sarap pag me time dito. This trip is more on soul searching. We keep visiting some cathedrals here in Europe. And this is gonna be the 7th one. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome to Italy. So this is the castle here in Italy. So you would see a lot of people is here. They're enjoying the moment. Yeah, this one. Hey, ano ba? Passing through na ba? Asan? Yes. Ang lilit ang mga kotse nila dito. Let's go, let's go! So you would observe a lot of nationals are mixing in this center. So ito na nga guys, mapapansin natin. Dominated by black colors, usually yung mga naglalakad. And they all have different fashions here. Oh my God, ang ganda guys. Ang tatangkad lahat ng mga dumadaan dito. Ayan. So dahil na sa Milan, usually you would observe a lot of, you know, people has different views of fashion when it comes to how they handle themselves just to, you know, be part of this kind of city, which is the capital fashion of the world. And
Selfie, go.
yeah, let's go. Come on, let's have a selfie.
Ulit.
Okay, let's have it. Okay, all right. Come on, guys. So we're crossing the pedestrian. Okay, go. Oh my God. Uy, dito ang ganda, guys. Oh. You know, guys, something is different once you are part of the tour kasi you have to move as a group. So you really have to follow them. Yeah, we're looking for the cathedral, guys. What's good being part of the group is that your tour is gonna be, you know, so productive. You can visit different different tourist spots, you know. Guys, everything is flabbergasted, guys. You would feel discombobulated with this gigantic buildings, guys. Oh, I love it. Huh? Oh my God. Let's go. Let's make it fast. At mga local student. Yung pinakadulo, guys, yan yung cathedral. Oh my God, yung pinakasikat, oh. Oh my God, guys, ang daming tao. You see, the cathedral, which is one of the most iconic places here in Madrid. Oh my God. Let's have a photo together, guys. Come on. Ito yung pinakasikat na cathedral dito sa Madrid, which is binibisita ng mga iba't ibang tao o galing ng mga iba't ibang lugar. Yes, friend.
Hello.
How does it feel being participative with this kind of, you know, occasion? Occasion talaga.
Occasion? Nakababa.
Yeah. Event. Yeah. So we're looking for Starbucks just to, you know, feed our fantasy.
Saan pa si Rom?
Video niya. Girl, wait. Excuse po. Ready na?
Okay, pakain mo muna. Pakain mo muna sa baba. Pakain mo muna sa baba.
Ayan na. 1, 2, 3, go! 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 1, 2, 3 Ay. Guys, ano na? Sana daw? Magtanong kaya tayo sa yung Starbucks.
Direct. Yan ang Starbucks eh.
Naghahunting kami ng Starbucks. Kaya, you know, our friend is love collecting mugs. McDonald's yata yung nakikita natin, friend eh. Guys, ang laki ng Starbucks nila dito sa Milan. Ang dami oh, parang mall lang ano to. Parang mall siya, guys. Pwede kang makabili ng mga ano to, mga collections if you love collecting mugs. Ang laki, guys. Oh my God. Yes. First time ko maka-encounter ng ganito kalaking Starbucks, which is ang ganda na aesthetic. Parang hotel vibes yung aesthetic ng Starbucks dito, guys, sa Milan. I love it. So yan. If you love collecting mugs, ayan, pwede dito. Makikita mo kung paano ginagawa yung kape. Ayan na paano nila ginagrind yung coffee. Parang factory siya, guys. Ang laki. At saka oh my God, yung logo ng Starbucks, guys. Ang laki. So guys, bili tayo ng tumbler. At least may souvenir tayo dito sa Milan. So, bumili ng lagayan ng tubig para at least, you know, may masabi tayo na may nabili tayo dito. Ayan. So, pare-parehas tayo.
Sige lang, magkakalayo naman yung mga lugar natin.
So, I love this one, guys. Wala tong box. Bili natin. Tapos magpapa-engrave tayo. Pwede natin ilagay yung pangalan. So, this is 26 euro, guys. Guys, nakaka-amaze lang. Tingnan niyo yung sa taas, oh. Ayan, oh. So, I'll just pay in card. Guys, ang galing. Bumili na tayo ng Starbucks. Starbucks na tumbler. Tapos, hindi na ako nagpa-engrave kasi wala na daw time. Ayan, guys, oh. Ginagrind. So, nasa CR tayo, guys. Ang laki, bawat kanto. May ano to, may nag-a-assist. Ang galing lang. Ma'am, where's the toilet?
It's downstairs on the left.
That one. Thank you so much. Okay, so magto-toilet tayo. Ang ganda ng aesthetic ng toilet nila. Ayan, ang laki. So, I think this is good for 10 or 20 persons para sa toilet. So, hindi kayo magsisiksikan. This is for the girls. This is for the girls and yun yung panlalaki. So, tara, akyat na tayo, guys. Kain tayo. Hanap tayo ng drink natin. So, guys, this is how they process the engraving first.
Here is alright?
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah.
I'm not a picky one. It's okay.
Yeah. You can play it as your playground.
It's a playground.
Yeah. Just surprise us how that thing works.
Erti. How do you pronounce your name, ma'am?
Erti.
Erti.
It's more, you have to, you know, highlight the letter T.
R.
Yes.
T, yeah.
The R and the T are well pronounced.
Yeah. That's the train. Oh my God, everything here is perfect, guys. I am here, clouting all the things. So, bumili tayo kakain tayo dito sa KFC. Nag-order tayo ng chicken twister. So, very high-tech sila, guys. You just have to use the portal. Nakaka-amaze lang, guys. Kasi kumakain kami sa Milan. In front of us is the train. Ayan na, you see that? Now, we're serving the views. Nag-Kiev sila yung mga lolo nyo. Kasi wala kami mahanap na restaurant na pwedeng kainan. Pagod na lahat, tsaka gutom lahat. So whichever is the quickest, kung yung pinakamabilis. Ayun, ayun sila.
Guys, it's it! It's it! Ala, ito na yung libre ko ha. Saka mamaya pag maka-Starbucks tayo, sige go.
Guys, pauwi na kami. We're still in Milan. You would never tire of seeing this, you know, the architectural design, the Baroque and the Renaissance designs. So amazing. With also, I'm gonna buy churros. One more churros, please. Yeah. One,
Video mo.
Ay, video, go. Oh my God, see you. Ay, yeah, sure.
So good.
One more, ano to? Churros. Ayan, you see that, guys? So it's chocolate. Caramel, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. How much? €1.
That's
I love it. Gracias.
Pipiling ko pa ka nandun.
Ang sarap, guys. Ng churros nila.
So good.
How's your churros, friend?
So good.
So good, right? How does it feel? It feels like, you know, winning the jackpot lotto. Hey, friend, how are you? You're in Milan. What are you wearing now?
75? Fashion style, 70.
Yeah, is that your fashion statement? Like,
Fashion documentary chart.
I love your
So
bag.
good.
Yeah. Hey guys, come on.
Leto na? Grabe yung iba na
Okay guys, let's go.
For yung flow po tomorrow, ang weather po natin is until -11. Wow! Please wear your beanie, extra jackets, talagang gloves. Kung may scarves kayo, negative po yung weather. -11. Talagang freezing po ito.
And we can make snowman there.